Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to find and install a game called Farming Simulator 20. So first thing first, open App Store, click on the blue icon right here in your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account. Then click on the search button right here. And in the search bar, typing Farming Simulator 20 and go search right here. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the game. So click on that. Now it's cost $5.99. So just click on the blue button. Then confirm installation and purchase through Face ID or Touch ID or using password from your Apple ID account. The game is 719.9 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.